How to add calendar countdown widget to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, so if you want to add calendar cut down widget on lock screen, so click on lock screen. So after click on lock screen, so if you want to add widget, so click on widget and click on calendar. So if you want to add cut down calendar, so you will see cut down calendar is here, so click on cut down calendar. So after click on cut down calendar and click on done, you will see cut down calendar is add on lock screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add calendar customize cut down widget to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.